You on a whole host of sectors, wishing you a good evening ahead. Well, time to wind down then. The Nifty ended with a cut-off close around 80 points odd, but it was a solid fight from the low point of the day. More than a 200-point recovery is what we saw at one point of time. The Nifty moved into the green. Unfortunately, towards the end, we did see some selling as well, but a closer to around the 18,000 odd mark. The bulls, they'll take it with both hands after what we were staring at earlier today. What didn't do too well? The tech stocks, Infosys, TCS, Tech Mahindra, HCL Tech, the top losers on the Nifty itself, down between 2.5% to around 5%. What did well? The banking names, they came back in style. IndusInd Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank, both of them were up and about in today's trading session. You had select metal names as well that did bounce back. Tata Steel was up, Hindalco as well was up more than 1% odd, and NTPC as well did pretty well. From the broader market, cement was a theme that did play out. Ambuja Cement is going to be raising some capital. The street believes that there is going to be some consolidation that will take place. You had India Cements that was up and about. You had Dalmia Bharat as well that was flying away. ACC and Ambuja, obviously both of them as well were participating, and Sanghi Industries as well did do pretty well. The mid-cap index, well, the breadth of the market was still in favor of the number of stocks that were declining, so that narrowed considerably from the start of trade. What didn't do well? Well, the L&T twins in terms of the tech space from the broader markets, that's L&T Infotech and L&T Tech Services. Both of them were down 3 to around 4%. Coforge as well got hit. You had Birlas off as well. That was down. Pyramid Enterprises, remember, some part of the street wanted only the pharma business. Now that they will be getting the next couple of months or so. So there appears there is some persistent selling that we're seeing on Pyramid Enterprises. The stock is down close to around 2%, now below that 1,000 rupee mark or so. Bata as well was down close to around 2% or thereabouts. So really mixed action is what we got from the broader markets. But to wind things down then, well, the Nifty ended with a cut of close to around 70 points, ended closer to around that 18,000 odd mark. The Nifty Bank played an absolutely splendid knock today on the day that you had very weak global cues, and the index ended up with a gain of close to around 500 points, while the mid-cap index was mildly in the red. Well, curtains down on this edition of Closing Bell, but you don't go anywhere.